Gubernur Badan Buram yang Penjela Meghalaya, Mr. C.H. Wijaya Shankar, Bati Mrs. Jong, Bapak Nia Singh Siils, Chief Minister Badan Buram yang ke Khasi Jaitia Autonomous District Council, Bapias Temsong, Galong Deputy Chief Minister yang ke State, Deputy Chief Ministers, Deputy CEM, EM, Bati Dekat Badan Buram yang ke District Council Baroh, officers yang berjelas galaban dan rekat bagi hati, bagi di rangba kihai biadan rekat bagi kena kuat, bat bapi kipai lang yang ke Hynniewtrep Baroh, na do kirang basnong, kirang yalam yang second time, sek samlang, para nong yalam bat kikur Jong kapri Hynniewtrep. Nengkok ai gijing kublai pi Baroh akan ngasngi balong kasi ke bakrau nak benta kari bat nak benta ke jai benriu bat pansa akan mau kum kasi hak ba sibon nak gijing amnot ke jongi kum upat kasi penar ilawan urlong akan ngasngi hendak yang cepat itu ialah dia ada presiden yang kesengkur walang Bat kamoto yang kesengkur walang kalau bagikur di penong ya kejai penriu. Dengan yang handi kumunong nikmat yang kesenjuk yang tidak barsnong. Indiat ngasupah bantai nomor pengalong way negitu ki members negitu kan pelayanan rekat bat ke district council yang penyan kebapoi hadu ke negasi golong kasi yang kejing job. Haus nam hajar khatra CM barim iba shalla ba chas shalla gomdon show bangi gomkwa yumlei ila penong an ya ketuka lineage act ba lasa nadu sam akhnai spa akhnai ponyo bat daging train sitam kejongi lala ban penong an ya kan Tenrai hadir bala penong aja ketuka ak kejing syam kejongi kalong badang dan sibut ike badang duna bat kejing tu banbu bet bu renti kikam yang kakur kim pat biang ilaya kenjok tien bat kantu kanne kino yalam jakiwei pat kikur bat ngilaya rai bengen pat yang kadorban yang kikur Baroh yang keren lor kanegamat Leo penlong yang kejing yalang akte yang bawa barat Scouts and Guides bat ilai syem ya karai bangin bu ya kini kimat dibangi ngisyam kejing duna atau keak sebagai district council ladan hadu pembasau pulai di kur beliadan atau ke meeting bat ilai penpendapat Baroh IPA dibangi ilai kod aktu bat hakte keji kendo lasang rugi neka sunjuk juki norbarkur bat lasang ya ke steering committee banang penyak syaprang ya kan kekam tika steering committee kalau tray ya kekam jongka kalau penong yang keji elang bun sen bat kalau penwandur ya kimat kepada banbu ahmad yang ke district council ilalai banbu ya kini kimat ahmad yang ke district council bat ke district council hadir berkila bisyar kini kekam kila syim ya karai ban tau no daka land administration bill ko timai di la tau ya ke komiti ko la clear di ba window lanong badan aka district council la to ko bat kila don irfat na district council irfat na ka seng jok kirang bakur bat ikhat naga seng jok isenjuk kidor bartur bat leya syong pun sien bat ya keren bat ya penbet ya kena kakam hakisnem ba dangdan gitu ki restrictions ni aman ta ketingdan yo kenyang covid man la kapor bagi yo ala leya keren bat hadu khat sau sien kena komiti kala ya kendo le pen biang le pen bet ya kaklan bil ban ila let ban ra sei CM itu kapor ban CM ila ra sa ka isi jong ka district council kala pediang kan ni ban hadian kata ka house jong district council i kala pas ya kan ka bill dan rei dah bala pha syaki he jong ka sarkar jilla kisam bakadon kato kan ni jing duna kan ka bill lamar bakaladon lupa kalian ni chak bagi lapan pai no ya kan ni sebagai district council tiga ba ngisngau met tolong ba ka district council kam shimla klifti halo jong kan ka kam le shimtia ya kan ni le perkat ba le thau sakawi ba ka committee ka balangsi dari deputy CM ba pian CM ba kan ka committee adian le official di artikel di acts ni leadership ya karai bang thao no naka amendment to the Village Act 1997 but so met shibun ba kakam kalayan district council kala pas ya kan ni bat kala pha naka liang jo ka state government kita pelaj sasha ya ka bat ilayo ke jing menjur ke jong u governor halo jong kan ka ak bat kan ni ke ka ak ba ia rakhi mentasi bakalalong ka an jong ka jilla ka jong ni ti ni met hadu kata bagi lapai hadu kan ka por ak bagi lawan ong ba ya kan ni ka khenkur khenjan ka jong ni kong ki khasi penar Hynniewtrep kebala judan ngelasia sim ya ka pemagalong ke benta jong kejak genriu ke jongi rei menta la itu ya ka takaan bat rengkat ba kejing itu ya kejing long de ikur la kejak genriu ke jongi la itu ro ya ki dorbar kur bat la itu ro ki ramba jong ki sengkur bat kane kalong ka ke bagi skop pen ado kata-kata nakaliang jongi ikur ba ya pen ka bahag kamiat jong ka kur bat kejai benriu Baroh kawai dia kan ka por kai ka ba ko aban kran kalong ba kan ka ai ka thamai menta ki kur Baroh ke dan kam ba kan register bat ka district council ka kur wa lang jongi lada register ka kur jongi ba district council lalu setiap khandai spa khandai kunyo bagi jing Kyntu jonga kalong ban Kyntu ya kikur Baroh ban ya thao ban ya penlong ya kiseng rengkat bagi dorbar kuri jongki ban jir ikinong kitkam ban register na ploy ban ke district council namar ke district council kala le ya ke benta jongka ban penlong an ya kenekaan to mangi kikur ro dia penploy no ya kane kabenta ka bangi ide banle kane kadiru kasi ka basakan ma namar ba kumagi layos kau na kijing gran ba aswa ka ladan menta ka jing itu da ka ai ya dorbar snong ya kinong ya lam snong kum kirang ba snong bat kiwai ru ki ba menta ki ladan ka jing itu da ka ai yo ka ba thau ka district council bat tang kan nege jing pen itu rei menta nomor bakadan ka an kitsadan ki kendon ban ngen sasyam ya ke jing ya bet ya ranti jong ki kam snong kam thau bakanom long syo ko makalong menta ka we ke snong penya komwe ka we ke snong ka komwe rei menta kitsadan ki kendon ka ba Baroh ki normal snong bat kirang ba snong yang penya snong ke dia ya chakmat bat kin penlong ini benta kongki benta jongka sensyar strong sensyar imak di senong bat di locality sumagi omo di Toro baganakaan benta kala kedukru tang yaki dorbar senong rei yaki seng jongki kentai yaki senong bagi seng yaki samlang bat kani kalong kata ka ka baka district council kala itu ka recognize ba Partai Governmental Kajuk Governmental Day Show Tak Dorbar Shnong Bala Bantray Kakam Reki Samla Rukidon Lakbanta Kentay Rukidon Lakbanta Banyano Asanyang Saka Kam Shnong Kam Pao Kumtang Ai Kublay District Council Wapila Job Akabon Ra Yakini Ki Ai Haganakasingi Bat Ban Itu No Yakikur Ban Itu No Yakishnong Yaki Seng Kentay Seng Samla Kumtaki legally constituted entities but mga ong kanekan wana ay kajing yaj ben yarenti a kajing penyaj ikur kajing penyaj ikisnong ithao kedekni ikhtiar sesir pan ngai kublai ya ka district council ka bahapo kajing penyaj jong ICM pemerintah ba penyaj sing siem lala man poi hado uneu mau jam badong sisya ka jingsa jingkan mau laga benta ka jingyak ganti ka judgment riu ka jongi judgment riu kasih penar kagani ka po sa yang awan karen biat akan tin pareng naga benta jongu honorable governor jongi nang ba undio ban sautu ki bagi Hynniewtrep the honorable governor of Meghalaya Shri C.H. Vijay Shankar Ji and Mrs. Vijay Shankar and all the dignitaries who are present here today. It is indeed a pleasure, sir, to acknowledge your presence here in this ground on this auspicious and historic occasion for the Khasi-Pnar community as a whole. For the Khasi Jaintia tribe, this is a historic day, and your presence has added significance to the solemnity of this occasion. In brief, sir, today the cherished and long sought for recognition of certain important institutions in our tribe has come to fruition. I am referring to the coming into force of this very crucial and important piece of legislation which the Khasi Hills District Council has enacted recently. And now with your signing this document, this has become the law of the land, and that is the amendment to the Lineage Act of 1997. And I also understand that there is another act which empowers the village elders, the village darbars, and the institutions that we have been living with, taking for granted, but now they have become recognized entities. For your background, sir, the Khasi Jaintia tribe is made up of various clans under our age-old matrilineal system, where the lineage comes from our mother's side, and everyone bearing the clan name is related by blood. This is the defining tradition of our tribe and distinguishes us from any other tribe. However, till now there has been no legal recognition of this system, which is recognized only informally. But now the clan or the Kur in Khasi has become a legal entity, along with the modern institutions governing the clans like the Sengkur, a formal organization to bind the clan together wherever they may be, the Dorbar Kur as the highest body with powers to elect office bearers of the Sengkur and also to take decisions on behalf of the entire Kur or clan. Along with this, the law also grants legal status to our age-old village governance system, the Dorbar Shnong, the elected Rangba Shnong, along with other office bearers, and also the recognition of the youth and women's organization at the village level as part and parcel of our unique local governance system, which is different from the prevailing panchayati system which is found in some other parts of the country. In this, the district council has succeeded in maintaining the age-old system, while at the same time bring modern concepts of inclusion of women and youth as part and parcel of the system of village level governance. While congratulating our district council and its leaders for this historic step, the credit also goes to you, sir, for not delaying the signing of this crucial legislation, which is a very pleasant experience for many of us compared to other past experiences. The fact that you have spared your valuable time to be with us today here in this gathering is much appreciated by everyone present here. It speaks volumes about your sagacity and understanding of our aspirations in such a short time since you took office, and your commitment for uplifting the progress of our tribal community in this tribal state is much appreciated, sir. With your vast experience in public life, we look forward to many more initiatives and advice to our district council to enable it to carry out its mandate of promoting the interests of our tribal community. We especially look forward to your valuable support for our aspirations to maintain and to protect our privileges and special status, and in fact to strengthen them under the proposed amendment to the 6th schedule of the Constitution, which is being discussed in Delhi, to see that our status and our special protection is not diluted in any way. In fact, we wish to see our autonomous district council to become a